Welcome in once again to Fresh Off the Crypto. Guys, here we have the Ethereum Fear and Greed Index. Currently at 64, Ethereum hasn't been doing too well lately. It's just been consolidating sideways. Not too much volatility, while Bitcoin has pierced, its previous all-time high, from 2021 from the last cycle a couple of times. Ethereum's really been stagnant, honestly. Here we're barely holding on to greed here, almost going into the yellow. But yeah, we'll check Ethereum in the charts in just a bit. Here we have the top 5 altcoins on the planet, guys. Let's check their performance for the last week. Here we have Ethereum at $3,500, up 5.59% in the last 7 days. Number 2, BNB at just over a hair over $600, up 4% in the last week. Number 3, Solana at $173, down 5.43% with all the drama going on with the chain being congested and things of that nature. Number 4, XRP, the scam, guys, here at around 60 cents, up 3%. And then rounding off, number 5, Cardano here at 19 cents, guys, up a whopping 9% in the last 7 days. Then we have the top performing altcoins in the world here, starting with Neo at $22, the OG, man, pumping almost 50%, in its weekly price. Insane. Number 2, Athena, a brand new coin at $1.39, up 43%. Number 3, Toncoin at $7.24, up 42%, attempting to pierce the top 10. Number 4, VeChain at almost at a nickel, up 16%. And number 5, to round it off, the Theta coin at almost $3 up 14% on its weekly price. The top 5 worst performing assets in the last 7 days. We have Axelar at $1.33, down almost 20%. Yikes. Number 2, Uniswap, the unicorn coin at $9, down 16% after, I think the SEC is going after it or something like that. Rumors, man, affecting the price it's at, honestly. Number 3, Aptos, the AT&T coin. Look at that, man. That looks like AT&T at almost $12, down 16%. Yikes. Number 4, we have Maker at $3,370, down 14%. And number 5, Jupiter, the Planet coin at $1.27, down almost 13%. Don't forget, guys, link in the description down below. Come over here, swing by, and get yourself a playlist, man. Free educational videos, man, right here. Take advantage of that. Boom. For free education. Where else can you get that, guys? Make sure you guys take advantage of that while you subscribe to the channel and like this video as well. Guys, we have the charts here. Ethereum, look at that. Look at this uptrend we made a couple of weeks ago. We broke it down, came all the way down to $3,000 essentially. And we respiked back up. We have a low and now we have a higher low. We have a high and now we have a higher high. So I mean, this could be the start of an uptrend here. Who knows, man? This could be a bear flag formation here, just in here, and boom, just coming back down. Or we could continue to retest the previous all-time, well, yeah, is that the all-time high? No, the previous local high at around $4,155, guys. So that's what's in the books right now. I mean, mixed signals right now. This is in a channel here. I mean, we could clearly draw it here like this, right? You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see if price action will continue in this channel, or if if it's gonna break down, or if it's gonna break up. Right now, decision time soon for Ethereum, guys. So stay tuned. RSI not doing too much, honestly, just consolidating sideways. We are having a cross down here on the daily, as we can see. But yeah, so it should be confirming in the next couple of days. If that confirms, we could head down to 3,000 once it gets to truly retest that support again. If not, we expect to retouch the previous local highs here in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. Let's see what happens with Ethereum, guys. Here we have the total altcoin, total to basically the market cap of all coins except Bitcoin, guys. Currently at $1.15 trillion. Last time we were talking about this, we were here breaking down, of this trend line here. That we had a fake out, then we were hugging it, and then we clearly broke down. Yeah, now we have the secondary trend line here, trying to hold as well on its way to try and retest, the previous local highs here in the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks. But again, just like Ethereum, we do see a curvature across down here. Altcoins have been losing that steam, and same here on the RSI, just consolidation sideways, guys, honestly. Not too much going on with altcoins, while Bitcoin is attempting to reclaim its previous all-time high. So let's see what happens. But altcoins not showing a lot of strength, honestly, but in the big picture, again, it is still up here, hasn't come down to retest, the $900 billion level. And honestly, I mean, what we're looking at here, I mean, would just be these lows, man. It would be these lows right here. That's what we would be looking at right now. This low right here at $1 trillion, and then the other low at 938. So let's see. Right now, just consolidating. So we'll see what altcoins decide to do heading into the future, guys. Then we have Bitcoin dominance, guys. Last time we were talking about Bitcoin dominance, we were here just essentially hugging this resistance line of 54.14%. And then we've spiked up now, guys, reclaiming the previous resort. What's that? Whoa. Resistance, converting it into support, guys, as we can clearly see here. And again, the dominance, guys, sometimes the signals are in the RSI. Look, I mean, if we can see here, honestly, this is more right here. Let me just connect the dots. Let's play connect the dots here. Look at this uptrend, guys. Beautiful uptrend, higher highs and higher lows, as we can see. And same deal here. I mean, if we do this, we connect all of these, we do see, I mean, that we had this here, come up, fake out, but we're in this wedge formation right now. And what do you guys think? The uptrend is playing out. Honestly, just speculating, I do expect us to revisit the highs above 70 for the RSI. In the case of the Bitcoin dominance, it's just dominating. Why? It's near all-time highs when all these altcoins are taking a breather, losing steam, losing momentum, guys, losing that impulse that altcoins have been having for the last couple of months. And again, on our way clearly to 55%. If you wake up one day and we're above 55% and we're getting daily candle closes up there, it's a wrap. 60% would be that next and final target before an altcoin season truly comes later on this year. So we'll see how it pans out. And as we can see here, same deal for the Bitcoin dominance, but this one, look, the altcoins had a cross down, ETH, the altcoin market cap, but as we can see, Bitcoin dominance having a cross up inversely. So I think dominance will continue to go up in the next couple of days to the next couple of weeks. And lastly, here we have the dollar index, guys. The dollar index, last time we were talking about this, we had this uptrend. It was clearly respecting the uptrend. We did break down, but it was a fake out. We did have a couple of candles close down below the trend line, but look, we immediately have recovered, as we can see here, the trend line and even beyond, attempting to pierce the current resistance of 105.35 here in the DXY. Look, clear wick. That means resistance is strong, but if we get a closure above that, then we expect 108.31 in the next couple of weeks for the dollar. We do have a cross in the stochastic RSI down here, which usually means that the momentum is coming back into the dollar index, and the RSI massive spike as well. If we break these highs of 67, 68s, then we expect 70s and beyond, and the continuation of this new uptrend. Uptrend that started way back here last year in December of last year. So we'll see. I mean, we have these targets here. Next target would be 107.2 and then eventually 108.31, as we said. So the dollar's acting strong right now. Let's see if it holds up or if this resistance is too strong. Something's got to give, either the resistance or this trend line here. We'll see later on what actually pans out. But again, a lot of bullishness for the dollar index, a lot of bullishness for things like Bitcoin. I mean, right now, again, the masses, they're just investing into what's secure. I mean, there's a lot of unknowns, instability, speculation. A lot of people don't know. So the altcoins have been transferring, their buying power into Bitcoin via the Bitcoin dominance, as it's clear right here. And we've been consolidating here since what? Since October of last year. Insane, just literally going sideways. So 55% breaks, 60% would be easy peasy. Bitcoin would dominate. Now the question is, will it happen, while Bitcoin spikes or while Bitcoin dumps? I mean, Bitcoin's been extremely bullish, as we discussed in our latest market watch before this. So, I mean, we'll see. Everyone thinks it's due for a retracement, but these retracements, this bull market, they've been shallow. Honestly, I won't lie, guys. Very shallow retracement. So let's see if Bitcoin continues the trend, or if it's going to break it towards the downside. In our next market watch, we'll clearly discuss that. So stay tuned, guys. Link in the description down below. Take advantage of these great investment tools and resources for you guys. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention. Stay fresh.